Wynter OT. Meet the characters. At Wynter OT, we have created a world of underwater fun with engaging characters. These characters live in Wynter's Bay and help kids learn social, emotional, and fine motor skills. Chop Chop. Chop Chop is a little adventurous fish who likes to have big fun. Grandma. Grandma is a gentle fish who likes to garden. Caesar. Caesar is a curious crab who likes to climb. Daniel. Daniel is a determined fish who likes to race. Celine. Celine is a clever clam who likes to sing. Sullivan. Sullivan is a shy seahorse who likes to read. Lance. Lance is a lively lobster who likes to build. Deena. Deena is a delightful dolphin who likes to dance. Dennis. Dennis is a dependable dolphin who likes to dive. Olin. Olin is an observant octopus who likes to draw. Osei. Osei is an optimistic octopus who likes to juggle. Solomon. Solomon is a strong starfish who likes to skateboard. Tyrell. Tyrell is a thoughtful turtle who likes to surf. Sandy. Sandy is a smart scuba diver who likes to explore. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to join these characters on an exciting journey of learning and discovery.